Today we're going to show you how to create an improvised surgical mask. The materials include a clear sheet, protective sheet cut in half, an abdominal pad, an elastic cord approximately 12 inches, scissors, and a stapler. Each side of the elastic should be approximately 6 inches. It will be stapled on both ends of the abdominal pad. When stapled, you'll be putting in a tight knot to secure the elastic. So here you'll see a completed mask, and we'll be adding the sheet as a face shield protector for your eyes. And this is the final product. You see that you could have the shield along with the mask to cover. And when you put it on, it would look like this. And that's our improvised mask.